As you know, I started this tutorial for beginners or anyone who just needs to refresh their skills. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy to Make Designs. In this tutorial series, I am covering the essential topics you need to know to get up the speed with Photoshop quickly. In today's tutorial, I will teach you about some basic tools and techniques of Adobe Photoshop CC and the work area and show you how to open and save your images or designs and zoom in, zoom out and undo, redo mistakes and some other basic techniques we'll discuss in today's video. Let's start with how to create new document. In the menu bar, choose file and new to create a new image. There is a shortcut key of create new images, Ctrl N. Create a new image from scratch. Then you have to select a document preset. You can customize the preset by typing in your own values and give the name to your file and choose the default Photoshop size and preset accordingly, like width and height. To open existing image, in the menu bar, choose file, open existing image from your gallery. This is our existing image which we select from gallery, and this is our new created image. These two are document window. One is new created window and other one is new existing image from gallery. From the tool box, click selection tool. There is a shortcut key of selection tool is M. We select rectangular marquee tool and draw a rectangular on opened image with the selection marquee tool and choose move tool. There is a shortcut key of move tool is V. With the help of move tool, drag this selection part to new created image and drop it on new created document. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the image, you can transform the image. Shortcut key of transform the image in any size, you have to press Ctrl T and hold it from the corner and drag it to increase or decrease. The zoom tool is located in the tool panels. Change from zoom in to zoom out. In the option bar, there is a shortcut key of zoom tool is Z. Ctrl plus is for zoom in, Ctrl minus is for zoom out. You can zoom out or zoom in your image. The hand tool is also located in the tool panel, allows you to pan around a large or zoomed in image. Shortcut key of hand tool is H to place the document in our screen. The help of hand tool with the press spacebar. If you are in another tool, you want to instant adjust the document work section, and just want to instant adjust the document work section and just press the spacebar. The hand tool is active for the time. You can just work, you can adjust the work area, and when you leave the spacebar you are come back or continue with the same tool where you left. Mine is move tool. There is some mistakes I did for show you how to undo commands work. Undo your steps, single or multiples. To undo the last thing you did, choose edit, undo or press Ctrl Z. There are some previous steps where we want to go back and press Ctrl Z to go back. One step when we press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z, then we go many step back. Choose edit, redo or again press Ctrl Z. To save an image, choose file, save or file save as. Saving in JPEG or JPG or PNG format will save as a standard image file that can be shared, opened by other programs and posted online. When you are finished editing, save a copy in one of these formats too. In today's tutorial, we'll learn about Photoshop work area and how to open and create new images. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel for such more videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new video.